Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on Twitter so you can view adult content. Let's get started. First, open the X, formerly Twitter app. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap on Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. After selecting Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, select Content You See, and from there, tap on Sensitive Media to adjust your settings. From here, navigate to adult content. Once you're on this page, simply select Show All. After enabling this option, this will allow you to see posts that include sensitive content, including adult content, on your timeline. You can now browse Twitter without restrictions on sensitive media. If you ever want to turn this off, just follow the same steps and disable the setting, and that's it. That's how you can enable and view adult content on Twitter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.